Having an issue with the headlight of our Infiniti i35, so it's not bright enough. Now what we're going to do, we're going to clear it using the sandpaper and then battery drill. First, what we need to do, we need to protect the area around the headlight using the scotch tape. So we applying scotch tape around the headlight just to protect against damaging from sandpaper. Now we're doing the same thing on the other side. So now our headlight is ready, and we start to polish it. This set includes this pad and include this sandpaper, different grade. So this grade goes from the 800, 1500 and 1200.
Polish pad.
And then polish pad with the solvent. So we have 2000 like sandpaper or 2000 sandpaper. So we start with the 800 grade. So applying, I have 800 sandpaper to our pad, and then we'll start to treat our headlight. First we need some spray water to the headlight to moisturize it, the surface. To keep it wet. Then we start polish the headlight. So we finished with 800 grade sandpaper and continuing with the 1500. Okay, the next step, we're continuing with the fine grade and polishing 2000. Grade. Just basically it's like polishing. After 2000 grade polisher, we have some results. The headlight much brighter, transparent, and then we need to finish with the final step, we applying the polish pad. So this polish pad with the polishing solvent. So the polishing pad, and we have some solvent over here. So we're applying the solvent on our polishing pad, and then we're going to polish the final step, final polishing the headlight glass to have it much brighter, much perfect. Removing the tape. Now, maybe not right tape. Oh. Now we're done with polishing our headlight. It's transparent, really bright, and it will work. Thank you for watching.